Hey guys, so today we have another unboxing video. By surprise, I have another box here today. Wasn't sure if it was gonna deliver today or next week, but it's here today. So it was delayed for probably 2 weeks. Not sure if it was by the shipper or because of postal reasons, but it's here and let's go open it. Okay guys, here's the box. I don't have a decorative background for unboxings. I'm in my garage. We just gonna do what it do. Let me get a knife. Okay guys, so it was 2 boxes taped together. As you can see here, I cut the tape, so let's see what these look like. I'm not gonna say what it is, y'all. That's why it's an unboxing. So let's go. All right. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is a very, very tall Brazilian red pineapple. Okay, right here needs to be cut. Oh no, okay. All right, I need 2 hands. Hold tight. Okay, so that's the second one, which look very, very big and healthier than this one. And I'm wondering if it's because the rubber band broke. But we will see. Per the information I got from online, you have to be very careful with handling these because of the thorns. You will get hurt. This look very dangerous. So wearing gloves, maybe some thick gloves would be a good idea. Handling these, being that the rubber band broke on this one, I think I'm gonna use some I can use some of this and wrap around it and tie it so I could get it planted in a pot. These pineapples are native to, I think it was Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay and Uruguay. According to the website I got it from, which is Etsy.com, the seller is saying it's a rare variety of pineapples that are usually used for landscaping purposes. That's fine also, but I did read you can also eat the pineapple. You just have to be very careful of the thorns. I'm assuming that's why people just use it for decorating, because they don't want to handle the fruit with the thorns. So I mean, we'll see how it go. I would like to try it though, but if I don't like it, I won't attempt to eat it. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm done up potting the pineapples, and the top part is very tall, and I left the straps on these and I added my own strap to the one on the right because the rubber band broke. But that's a good idea to keep it tied for planting needs, because you don't want to get stabbed. So tonight is supposed to be in the 50s. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine outside for tonight, but because there are newly potted plants, I'll just water them a little bit and put them in the greenhouse just to make sure they're not going to get any kind of cold damage. And once I untie the plants, I will definitely show you guys what it looked like. Hey guys, so today we're gonna finish watering these pineapples, and we're gonna put them in the greenhouse. I did give them a little water yesterday, but not that much. And I did not cut them. As you can see, I didn't cut the rubber bands off, so we're gonna do that now. First thing though, just wanted to show you guys in brighter light how they look. because the last clip I had to hurry up and make a video because the sun was going down. So this is a brighter view of the plants. Let's get them in the greenhouse. All right, guys, so I just got finished watering the pineapples and I put them in the greenhouse. So let me show you guys. So the one on the left and the one on the right is the Brazilian red pineapples, and the one in the middle is the white jade. So the white jade I bring in here because they looked kind of sad. As you can see, some of the leaf tips are turning brown. Let's go ahead and cut the straps off of these. Well, this one I'm just gonna loosen because I don't want to cut it off. I gotta watch out. Ooh, okay. All right, the letdown wasn't that bad. Let's see if I could. All right, so I kicked the pot and it's not spreading out that wide, but maybe eventually, because they were tied for the trip, and plus the extra couple days that I had them in my garage. So maybe they'll fall down a little bit more in a couple days time. But this one here I cannot untie. It's a rubber band, so let me see if I can just cut that. Or pull it up. Either one will work. Okay, rubber band is off. Let's get this one. Okay. All right. So this one is falling out a little bit better. You can see two new leaves in the middle there. All right. Looking good, looking good. I'm using this knife to try to separate it a little bit. I'm not trying to get stuck. So I don't know if you guys could see that. I'm gonna attempt to turn this around and be mindful of my face, because it seems like the view for this one is on the opposite side. This is a better view of the front, the middle part here of the pineapple. I'm in a lot of sun. Let me see. Yeah, you guys could see that, and it's look like something's coming up down there in the middle. It's not noticeable on camera, but this is the newest leaf here, and it looks like this one. So yeah, that's it. That's the Brazilian reds, guys. I can't wait for this to start fruiting so I can see how it will look in person. I saw so much videos online and pictures, so I am like out of patience right now. Don't know how long it's gonna take though, but these are mature pineapples, so I'm assuming maybe a year or less before some things start coming up there in the middle. I did notice this plant here is a little smaller than this one. Let me stand back so you guys can get a better view. So the one on the left is bigger than the one on the right, obviously. Just want to show you guys real quick the other pineapples. They do look like they need to go in a greenhouse. I'm noticing a little browning right here. I'm not sure if that been there though. And right here too. So all 4 of the sugarloaf have a little browning at the tips, not that much. Like those 3 and like those 3. 1, 2, 3. And over here 1, 2. And the unknown varieties look good. But I am noticing some ridging on these. Like the ones I just got in the mail. Please don't tell me I had this variety already and bought it for nothing. I'll be so upset. Oh my God. Look, it's thorns on these. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put these pineapples in the greenhouse now that I'm talking about it. So that's what I'll do. Okay, y'all, so I just put all the pineapples in the greenhouse, something I probably should have did a long time ago. But because I'm starting to see brown leaves, I'll say, you know what, let me just go ahead and do it. Just wanted to show you guys what everything looks like in here. So in total, I got 6, 7, 8, 9 pineapples total. And if I find another variety, I will be getting it. Because right now, I just want to get a collection of pineapples as much as I can of different varieties. Because by the time I get ready to move, once we get stuff in the ground, these will be going in between of some of those plants. And, you know, plus when they push up suckers and stuff like that, you could use those as well. So, yeah, that's it. Oh, and while I'm here, you guys can see the breadfruit. And it's also, let me get closer. It's trying to push out another leaf. The one right there on the left just came out. And yeah, it's gonna have another leaf soon. So the breadfruit is doing well. It did drop 2 lower leaves. So it's just trying to get tall and big and nice, y'all. So, and you guys have a good week.